power of the phone. Now Google Assistant comes on the screen. How to avoid the Google Assistant and get the power off option? Go to settings and tap additional settings. In additional settings, tap accessibility. Tap here accessibility menu. Here tap accessibility menu shortcut. In this display, tap allow. Here tap OK. Here you see the brown accessibility button. This accessibility button is seen wherever the screen is slided on. On tapping the accessibility button, you get this 9 options screen. Here tap the power option. Now here you get the power off option. Tap the power off option to get the phone off.